Hello student, welcome back to IBS. Today we are going to learn about cash flow statement part third. Now we are going to understand about cash flow structure and operating activity related stuff we have already discussed. Now we are going to discuss about investing and financing activity and what are the items are available in that. Overall discuss all of this, but I will go slightly, then we will move to their uses of financial statement and their limitation. We'll cover this, then from part 4 we will be taking possible line item and we'll discuss this in detail. For example, depreciation has two type of depreciation. One depreciation is related to factory and one depreciation is related to company, which you might directly add back to your cash flow. And for those depreciation which are going to your income statement through cost of goods sold, as you know, while calculating standard cost, that time we take all fixed and variable both the cost, and then we calculate our standard rate, and that rate we are applying to every single product. So likewise it is moving from inventory to your cost of goods through systematically. So at the end of the period when we are creating our statement of cash flow, so what are the action to be taken? So these are the things we will discuss in detail. Whatever the line item has such kind of issue and which need discussion, so I will take all of this and will discuss in last session of with regard to cash flow. We will also take few of the MCQ for cash flow as well as balance sheet and income statement if possible. For cash flow I will definitely take, will try to prepare few of the cash flow, will taking example so that it will give you overall holistic idea about the cash flow. Let's jump to the topic. Okay, so now we are going to understand about investing activity. You remember through Excel sheet I have explained almost everything. I'm just going through with my PPT, so it is coming one by one while explaining. Most of the thing has already been covered. So let's jump to the definition. Investing activity involve transactions related to acquisition and disposal of long-term asset and investment. So this is the part of your investing activity, and these activities are crucial for understanding how company allocate their resources and how they are planning to grow. If you are able to allocate your resources correctly and you are able to generate profit in return. Investing is always you are investing your money into another company. In financing, if you are repurchasing your own sold share, treasury share, that is a kind of investment, but that is purely from your equity point of view, and you are taking loan. This kind of thing will come into your financing activity. When you are putting your money into another company or you are acquiring any company, these are all your financing activity. But in case when we are purchasing fixed asset, then it becomes your investing activity, like purchasing fixed asset, selling fixed asset. So these are investing activity. Making a loan from other entity or subsidiary. Basically here we are not taking loan, we are giving loan. We are funding to another company. After for what we are funding, so that we will get good interest in return or return on investment kind of stuff. So these are all investing activity. When you have excess cash, extra cash or something, so that time it is better to invest in another company or another industry. That is also portfolio management, is part of portfolio management. Since you have money and you are dealing with maybe tech industry or something, and if you have extra money, you can invest into construction business, you can invest into FMCG industry, you can invest into medical FMCG or other industry. So why we do this? Because the company, if dealing with one particular industry, so every industry has some time going down and some time going up. So at the time when it is going up, you need to calculate what are those industry has potential to grow at that time. So for those kind of industry, you can invest your money. So that what will happen at the time of your own business and your own industry is going down, that time also you can generate marginal benefit or marginal profit. So this is how the job of CFO, to monitor this kind of industry and invest and follow the structure approach to invest into the good industry kind of stuff. Not only that, that also he has to think about their own company where they can invest, where the investment is required, like purchasing fixed asset and acquiring any property, plant, equipment kind of thing, and collecting loans, receiving a payment from previously made loan. For this one, if you have given loan and now you are collecting, that will be your positive sign of your investing activity. Acquiring investment, purchasing equity, debt security for another company. I'm keep on telling you other company. So might include if you are acquiring and purchasing, equity, that securities of your own company. So that will be your financing activity. And disposing of investment, selling and redeeming investment in securities and other entity, cash inflow from this disposal are reported as an investing activity positive side. Cash is coming in. Cash flow from trading security, that is again questionable. Some we need to consider sometime in operating also. For trading purpose, if you are purchasing for temporary and you will sell it initially whenever you found that share is going up and you can feel that it will go down now, so you can sell it. So if it is for smaller period of time, so that is always coming to your operating activity. Let's read it out. While often debated, cash flow related purchase, sales, and maturity are trading, if not held sale near term, can be classified in investing activity. That is what I have discussed. If it is temporary, then operating. If it is for not temporary or you are not sure, then you can put into your investing activity. So I think we are done with regard to investing activity. In upcoming session, what we will do, as I told you, few things which need extra attention and extra detail understanding, those kind of item we will take, even related to operating like depreciation, as I've given you example. I think we are done for this session. We'll see you into the next session. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.